you are good with economy, well, first, the situation, any kind of situation happen that your economy start to get low until you losing. Then from this one, the next process is that you start to get sick, and then because you are already poor, then you are sick and you don't have all the resources that you need for that, yeah, well, you can die. So but this is not exactly something that's going to happen in general for everyone, but Orumila and Ifa is, advise you about that, and it's very good that you take it in consideration, that you be very careful about this thing, right? So this is another one also that speak about that be careful, and this is all the recommendation. Be careful to receive a news that someone very close to you is arrested. So, they're arrested by the police, could be for different situations. Some people, probably they are doing some kind of activity that they are no, legal or wherever, and going to be arrested. But arrested, you can be also, if you drink alcohol and you're driving, you will be able, you are propense to be arrested. You can be arrested if you, like this other say, speak about violence. If you make violence, even in the house or outside, in the society, you can be arrested as well. So this other say that please, be very careful with how is your behavior. You don't have any kind of situation with that, but also say that, that you try to alert and make it aware to the people that so nobody doing any kind of situation that putting in the position that could be in jail, right? This was 2 or 3 examples that I put. I don't going to say all the sample for what you could be arrested, but thinking about that, like I say, be careful with the police, avoid the use of violence. This is a sign of murder and homicide. So this order speak about that, be careful with the violence, that this violence can finish in murder and homicide, right? Government must be responsible for the cleaning of towns and cities to combat the disease that cause for animals like rat, so every place around the world, the recommendation of the FA is to government be worried and take action in the places that they are not clean enough, to try to sanitize that places to avoid illness that is related with animals like rat, mosquitoes, and things like that. Okay, so take care your finances, so you don't go to bed rich and wake up poor. We talk about that already, so that's something that can happen this year. Stay away from drug use. This is something very recurring for everywhere in the world. This is an advice to be recurrent for every single thing, every single divination supposed to talk about that, for the goodness of our new generation, our children and youth people. So this is also speak about hepatitis. It's an alert of this illness. Be very careful with your business decision. What is the decision that you make for business? This is a year that people can make a very horrible decision for business, and they can see the consequence after that. avoid a contradiction and confrontation with people, that have physical limitation, right? So it's not good to discuss with these people, to fight with these people, right? So try to avoid that kind of situation, right? So manage your family different by have a balance between the reason and the logic. So, okay, when the family have any kind of difference, sit down together, talk, get some kind of reflection. Don't fight. Don't avoid the violence, as this Odun say, because that could be very, very fatal, very bad. Alcohol and drug are prohibited. Keep the place where you live clean and organized. That's to combat any kind of illness, because the illness and the death can come in the places that don't be organized and clean. If you are living in the high altitude, be aware about landslides, okay? Destruction of building and things like that, and landslide. So this is something that is very clear what this Odun say. Take care of your job and your business. It's important. You should be aware about that. The head of the goody was the one that spread the disease in the world. And I want to make a stop in this, in this statement.